I can't cope up with studies.
Preview.
I can't grasp anything taught in school. What is the solution?
Aptitude test.
Wait, I have a better solution.
Bhadralok is not just a service but an institute. We will help students realize their true potential. We will make education interesting, relevant and engaging. We will conduct one-on-one sessions. We'll give personalized detailed reports. We'll conduct teacher training program. We'll provide educational toolkits.
We will conduct dermatoglyphics metal intelligence test.
You must be thinking it's expensive, but no. It costs only 2,500 rupees per test.
So, what are you waiting for?
Contact us at +9 19969219707 or email us at bhadralok.official@gmail.com.
We at Bhadralok will tie up with schools as well as institutions and provide individual learning kits. We will also conduct teacher training programs that will brief the teachers about the different learning categories. We'll have 3 different learning categories. Those are kinesthetic, auditory and visual. We'll have one-on-one sessions with the students and we'll have a new updated program every year. We're very excited and eager to conduct your DMIT test. Looking forward to a brighter